Okay, so I have got Lynn has agreed to be my guinea pig to show you exactly how I work with the body to release some emotions. I did do a webinar, so the recorded webinar is in the Facebook feed. You can go look at it. But right now, I am just going to get you, Lynn, so Lynn, we live in the northern hemisphere. So Lynn is facing north. And I want you to put your arms by your side, take in some deep breaths, and I want you to really focus and put your weight in the middle of your feet. Okay. Now you're breathing, blood's pumping through you. You're not standing still. It's impossible. So what I want you to do is when you're ready, I want you to say, my name is Lynn, and tell me whether the weight is shifting in the front, the middle, or the back of your feet.
Okay. My name is Lynn.
Okay. That's definitely to the front. I see that. Awesome. Okay. Now I want you to say, my name is Henry.
My name is Henry.
Woo! You're lying to me. Your name is not Henry. And so by doing this simple exercise, I am able to communicate with your subconscious mind and figure out what exactly it is that is holding you back. This isn't all that I do. I can release a lot of stuff from your body, but you have to know what to replace it with. And that's my specialty. That's what I'm an expert at. So if you want to try to do this with me, please send me an email to kalinda@kalindatrifo.ca. Again, it is kalinda@kalindatrifo.ca, and we can schedule a breakout call with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.